Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I did just get some stuff in the mail from Whatnot and figured I'd go over it with you guys and kind of pop some of these open, see what we hit, see what we didn't hit, and get you guys involved in what it is I had coming in. Pretty exciting stuff when it comes to the Whatnot, because I always forget what I won or where I got it from. But I think a lot of it should be good towards the Destin Rivals Master set. And then honestly, who the heck knows what else is in there. So dive right into it. We'll get into this one first. Let's see what they got for us. Honestly, I get on there sometimes late at night just to support other streamers. Oh, wow, this is pretty sweet. I definitely forgot that I got ordered for this one. Pretty good quality. I mean, it's off center as heck, top to bottom. But we're gonna get this thing. See, there's some lightning. Get you guys to focus there. Sorry, there's some lightning right there. That's such a cool card. It's super textured too. I love that. Awesome. Good. That's definitely not for Destin Rivals. That's something I forgot I even bid on. Probably just because I've always been a huge fan of the legendary birds. And this one is super pretty. Alright, anyways, on to the next one here. This one's a little thinner. What the heck was in these? I don't know if any of you guys use the Whatnot platform, but there is a link in there. If you guys are new to Whatnot and you guys hop on and use our code, the Breaking Packz code that's up there, you guys will get a free $15 to spend. Check that out. Two of the ones we needed, Crustle and Alvin's Greeting. Really good condition too, and I didn't spend more than a couple dollars on these cards, so it was really good allocating those from there. Sweet. Put those in the master set pile. And what is in here? And again, guys, this could be anything. If I go into a channel and see a new streamer or anything like that, I'll typically support them. Ooh, we got some Packz. 3 Mega Brave, and I think it's called Mega Inferno. Let's hold that one for last. Let's see what we got in Mega Brave here. I don't ever really have luck with the Japanese packs, but maybe that'll change the day with you guys. No. So far, the luck is the same. There we go, last pack magic for Mega Brave. And no magic, so hopefully the Inferno's got something for us. But I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't, because I never really get much out of these. At least us. That's a really cool Charmeleon. Look at that. Whole lot of nada. That's okay. And then the last package we do have in stuff this in there. Oh, it's Journey Together. Really? Really jammed in there. Okay. Well, hopefully the cardboard on this protected those packs. Start with By the Boat. We got Umbreon here hanging out with us for some good luck. Hasn't been doing much help yet, but let's see if we can change that. These things are all lined up from being folded in there. All right. Ooh, okay. We'll take a hit. Nice little Swinub. Super cool card. Love the hunt on that. Give it a top loader. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic, guys. We have hit the Lily's Clefairy once or twice. I think once ripping and then once on the Whatnot channel. So I wouldn't mind hitting again. I know a lot of people have been getting some repeat hits with this set. I was just honestly happy we got some packs to open. Been having a hard time finding anything. And we got an EX. Alright. So we didn't get too many crazy hits today, guys. But I'm definitely happy you guys were able to hop on here with me. Check out some cool stuff we got in the mail. Get a few hits, rip a few packs. Like I said, whenever I get stuff in, I like to share it with you guys, have you guys involved with it. We also got, can't forget these two, for the Destined Rivals Masters that we're working on. So, we're walking away with some solid pulls today, some great finds. I'm super happy with all of it. Appreciate you guys coming to hang out with me and pop the mail open. I'll check you guys next time.